We're back again with another video. However, in this video, we're gonna take a detailed look at this collective name that's called statistics. Under statistics, we got two subtopics, namely ungrouped data and the grouped data. However, in this video, we will only observe on the ungrouped data. Okay, let's get started. Let's calculate the mean, variance, and the standard deviation of the data. Here the data goes like this. We got 10, 2, 8, 6, 3, and the last value is 1. We are asked to find mean. Mean is nothing but the x bar equal to sigma x. Sigma is the Greek word which stands for the summation, meaning that to get this term, we must sum up all these values. We got 10 plus 2 plus 8 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1, which gives 30. Meaning that in place of sigma x, we will replace it by 30. Whereas n stands for the total number of the values that are here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 values, meaning that our n will be 6. Okay, let's compute mean. We have 30 divided by 6, which gives 5. Okay, let's keep moving. Okay, here we got variance equal to sigma of x minus x bar all squared divided by n. Alright guys, we need to familiarize ourselves with this kind of formulae. In order for us to compute mean, we must know this term. We have x minus x bar all squared, x minus x bar all squared, and to be able to calculate this one, we have to draw the table just like this. Here x stands for these values. X bar is our mean, which is this one. X minus x bar, x is this one, x bar is that one. X minus x bar all squared, which is this term. Okay, let's quickly fill up the table. We got 10, 2, 8, 6, 3, the last value is 1. Our mean is 5, 5, just likewise, 5, 5, and 5. Okay, to get this term, we're gonna do it like this. X minus x bar, x is this one, x bar is that one. We're gonna say 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 gives 5. 2 minus 5, we got negative 3. 8 minus 5 gives positive 3. 6 minus 5, we got 1. 3 minus 5 gives negative 2. 1 minus 5 gives negative 4. Okay guys, to see whether what we did is correct, when we sum up all these values, we should get 0. Always we should get 0. When you sum up all these values, you should get 0. Okay, let's come to this side. Here we have x minus x bar all squared. Then, because here is x minus x bar, we're gonna square all these values. so that we get this term. If we square 5, we get 25. We square -3, we get 9. 3, 9. 1, we get 1. 2, we get 4. -4, we got positive 16. Alright, the last step is this one. Sigma of x minus x bar all squared. Sum of x minus x bar all squared equal to get this one, we have to sum up all these values. Here's 25, 9, 9, 1, 4, 16, which gives 64. Meaning that where there is this value, we're gonna replace it by 64. Okay, let's go ahead. We got 64 divided by our n was 6, which gives 10.67, just like that. Okay, let's come to standard deviation. Standard deviation is nothing but the root of variance. Variance is this one. We got 10.67, meaning that to get SD standard deviation equal to square root of what? Square root of 10.67, just like that, equal to, I think we will get 3.27. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.